The Corner Lake. We just got here. We got 2 fish right off the bat. Bang, bang. What's today? March the 13th? No, 12th.
12. Here.
March 12th. Watch Mucker is going to put a minnow down.
A piece of tail to smell.
Okay, he's just got a chunk of smelt tail. Watch this. Phenomenal. Ten, 9, 8. There he is. Oh, I gotta watch my line here. Here we go. She's dipping. There's something on there. Yeah, a little one, I think. Oh, I got him. Ah, yes, I do. Fucking hard to film. There.
Good night.
On the hook. Oh, that's it. That's how you do it.